Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger using the latest 2026 update. This setting is useful if you want more privacy and don't want others to know exactly when you've read their messages. To start, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look for the three-line menu icon. Depending on your device, it may appear in the top left or bottom right corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Next, find and tap the settings option, which is shown with a small gear icon. This will take you into your Messenger settings where you can control different privacy and account options. Now scroll down slowly until you see the section called Privacy and Safety. Tap on it to continue. Inside this menu, look for a category labeled What People See. Here you will find an option called Read Receipts. Tap on it and you'll see a switch labeled Show Read Receipts. Simply turn the switch off. Once you disable it, other people will no longer be able to see when you've read their messages, and you also won't see their read status. That's it. The setting is saved automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. Now, you can use Messenger with more privacy and less pressure to reply immediately.